If you regularly give your phone to somebody, whether to watch a video or to just show them something, this app can be super useful because it can help you protect their hearing and your phone speakers. So this application goes by the name of VolumeLockr, and it's a super cool concept where after giving it all the necessary permissions, you can go ahead and set individual volume levels for media playback, for calls, for notifications and alarms, and then you can go ahead and lock it at that. And after that, even if you try to increase the volume using the volume rockers, it will not increase and it will stay set to the level that you selected in this application. We regularly give our phones to kids to watch YouTube videos and to do so much more. This can be a really cool way where you can have some control over the volume level. Now, this is a super underrated open source application that you should install on your Android phone. And in today's video, I have a bunch of more apps just as useful as this. So if you guys do end up liking this video, make sure to hit on that like button, hit on that subscribe button, and with that said, let's get started and talk about the next app on today's list. Okay, tell me if I am wrong. Sometimes we need to do a lot of things on our smartphones itself, whether it is turning an image into a PDF, changing the format from a JPEG to a PNG, or even doing multiple things like removing the background of a photo. Well, this next application literally gives you a list of some of the most useful tools that you can have related to photo editing right on your Android smartphone. This app goes by the name of Image Toolbox, and once you open it up, guys, you'll find tons of useful tools that you can use to edit photos right on your phone. Now, whether that is to resize and convert images and also compress them to save on storage, or to do something like removing the background from a photo if you want a PNG format or a transparent version of it. And not just that, there are other deeper tools that let you turn images into PDFs, and that can also come in handy in some situations in our daily life. Honestly, if you need a single app to do all of that without any ads and a great UI, this is a must-have. Okay, quick break before we jump into the next application. Guys, if there is something that has genuinely helped me level up my workflow outside of apps that I share with you guys, it has to be this amazing tool called Fiverr. Now, you know, I have used it for so many things. I've used it to hire logo designers when I wanted to give this channel a fresh look. I've brought in color graders to grade my B-roll and make them look even more cinematic. Not just that, I have even worked with video editors to help me finish projects faster and still keep the quality at a very high level. Basically, anything that I needed to freelance, Fiverr already had a list of super talented people that I could pick from. So, you know, if you've ever wanted any pro-level work, whether it is thumbnails, edits, designers, coding, you can literally get all of that done on Fiverr. My custom link is in the description below. That will also give you a discount on your first order. So feel free to check out Fiverr from there, and also a huge shout out to them for always supporting the channel. On to the next app. Moving on, we have another super cool, underrated open source app called Privacy Flip. And trust me, this has to be one of the coolest integrations of flipping your phone that I have seen before. You know, whenever we turn off our phone, some of you can get paranoid whether your Wi-Fi is still sending data, or your Bluetooth is on and mobile data is on, GPS is on, so people can still track you, apps can still access your data. Well, with this application, you can just turn all of these features off and then turn on the toggle, and that way, whenever you flip your phone and place it face down on a table or anywhere really, all of these settings automatically turn off, and the moment you pick your phone up, they automatically turn back on. Can be super useful, especially if you keep your phone on your desk most of the time and you don't really need all these connections to be on, so that A, you can stay more secure, and B, you can also save some battery life. Super cool app, does what it says, and all you need to do is install it and get going right away. Next up, for all you people that are literally addicted by your phone and doom scrolling, this application is called DigiPaws, and it can really help you do some super cool things that will try to break your phone addiction. So once you open up the app, you have different categories called focus mode, app blocker, view or reel blocker, which is self-explanatory by the way. And essentially in this application, you can select apps, you can then block them out completely for a fixed time period. So the focus mode you can use when you're working. You can also straight up block the applications by selecting on the list, and then you can also manage the warning screen and set up a time duration for the blocked apps, etc. And of course, there's also a view or a reel blocker that will automatically turn off the app whenever you're watching Instagram Reels or YouTube Shorts, and this can be a really great way to minimize on that doom scrolling that we all seem to be affected by. Honestly, I like the fact that there are different modes and you can select all of the settings and set them up before you lock yourself out of your apps. And yeah, I mean, freelancing in today's day and age, a super useful app that all of us should have on our phone. And finally guys, the last app on today's list goes by the name of Orion Store, and this is a super cool Google Play Store alternative that you can use to find out more open source apps like the ones I showed you in today's video. The app UI is pretty clean. Open it up, you'll have a list of a lot of cool applications, and the best part is you can find apps not just for your Android phone but also for your Windows PC and for your Android or Google TV, and you can also download it directly from the app itself. It's a super cool way of finding out more cool apps, so if you want to find out more apps like the ones I mentioned in today's video, Orion Store is definitely worth a try. With that said guys, that brings us to the end of today's top open source Android apps that you need to try, and if you guys did enjoy this video, I would genuinely love it if you could hit on that like button, hit on that subscribe button, and don't forget to press on the bell icon for more cool videos like this. Feel free to check out Fiverr for all your freelancing needs from the link in the description below, and I will see you guys in the next one. This is Anubhav signing out. Take care, stay safe, and peace out guys. Have a good one. Bye-bye.